Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of tomato leaf disease detection project using machine learning or the deep learning algorithm. So as far as the tomato is concerned, it is having the so many diseases occurring on the plant leaf as well as the fruit of the tomato as well. So the objective of this project is to detect the various diseases that are occurring on the leaf as well as on the fruit. So accordingly, we are having the data set. So in the data set, we are having some fruit diseases plus some leaf diseases as well. So diseases occurring on the plant leaf as well as on the plant fruit. So everything will be tested. And for this, on this data set, the convolutional neural network model is trained, and that model will identify or will be able to find out which kind of disease is occurring on the tomato plant leaf or the fruit. Now also this project is not just limited to this thing, it is again going further. So once the disease is detected, the next step is to find out what kind of pesticide or fertilizer is good for that particular disease. And the next step will be what can be the suppliers information, or where we can get that pesticide. So that information will also be provided to the farmer. So farmer will get to know by uploading the photograph of that affected plant. The farmer will get to know what kind of disease is this. So precisely the disease detection will be done accurately, disease will be predicted. Secondly, generally the farmers don't know what kind of pesticide should be sprayed on it. He generally goes to the market and buys randomly. So this system will tell us exactly this is the standard pesticide or the fertilizer as per the experts, and then the farmer can buy that only. And also this system suggests where you will get this pesticide, so that contact information or that shop or the supplier information will be provided to the farmer. So this is all in one solution for the farmer, where just farmer will upload the image, and based on that the farmer will get to know all the details. The benefit of this system will be the farmer can definitely produce that particular product in large quantity, and also the damage which is occurring due to this diseases and not controlling this disease on time, or maybe using any random pesticide on that disease is happening, that kind of damage can be controlled by the farmer, and definitely it will save the time and money of the farmer. Now for the implementation purpose, we are using Python programming language, and the HTML CSS for the front end development, and the Flask framework of Python to create the web application. So once you are running the code, the farmer can log in or register. So if you farmer click on register, then the farmer will have to submit these details, and then the farmer will register to the system. But if the farmer has already logged in, then simply or registered, then farmer will have to put his credentials, and after that this is the farmer will allow to log in. Now here on this page, the farmer will have to pick the image. Now the farmer can, I have just stored two samples for the testing, but you can put extra and then test. Then this is the fruit disease, that is bacterial spot, and then what the things you have to spray and all those things will be displayed over here. Now as far as the data set is concerned, the data set is having so many things in it. So if you see, every data set is having some samples in it, and also in terms of leaps we are having so many samples. So this is the data set on which the model is trained, and you can pick any from this data set and you can test it. Okay, so that way it is done. And now next is let's understand about the second image. So I will upload the one more picture. Let's test it. Okay, let's submit and then test. So after that we can get to know this kind of information. So this is the lip disease, which is mold, and this is the pesticide you need to spray, and or the medicine we can say, and this is the supplier information. Now it's not right now, it's just an dummy information we have provided, but you can definitely edit this kind of thing. So that's the complete implementation of this particular project. In case you need any kind of support or code of this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.